This has just become a pretty damn hot Alfredo. Joey's food fight. We're making Alfredo sauce. Salt is pepper. Let's start with this. More pepper, more pepper. Go, 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 Gadget, go. Look at that garlic getting nice and brown. My grandpa would be so proud. It's very important that you measure your salt and be very specific when you're seasoning. Now the chili flakes. Oh my God, look what he did. I don't care. This has just become a pretty damn hot Alfredo. There's some basil, there's some oregano, and then he's gonna hit it with wine. The key to making the Alfredo a little bit thick is this. This is Wonder Flour. Does anybody know what Wonder Flour is?
Yes.
What is it, Dale?
Honey flour.
Oh God, oy vey's there. But she's not wrong. It's extra fine flour. This also has some paprika in it. I'm gonna thicken up my sauce with a little bit of roux as it connects to the butter. Now, you can add the sour cream. Ancient Italian secret. And pour the chicken stock right into there. I'm gonna grab the grape tomatoes. It's gonna be like a tomato basil Alfredo sauce. This is fresh grated Parmesan. You know, Alfredo, most restaurants, wine, heavy cream chicken broth, and cheese. That's about all they do. They can say they do fancier stuff, but that doesn't make it more Alfredo because they're being all fancy. Now we got some peppers, mixing the pasta. Let's see if it's ready. One more minute, David. And now we got the kicker.
This is awesome.
Let's be real organized about this. Oh, so organized. I don't care.
That's why it takes you so long to clean.
I know. Well, no, I clean. The problem is Olya leaves messes. She's Ukrainian, so she's more of a messy chef, whereas I'm a clean chef. Oh, hi, Olya! Look at all the meats. Check it out. This is basically just pork chops that we cooked and chopped up. Let's go! Very organized, right, guys? We're cooking for about 150 today. Hey, Dave, what church does it go to?
The Catholic Charities, Chicago Health Initiative is the one that's serving the meals tonight.
Chicago Health Initiative organizes the food with Project 22-9. Joey's Food Fight and Max's Deli help with the food and provide the chefs and the rock star experience. I got another pot for. Okay, Dave, that's ready. The pasta is ready. Joey's sloppy food fight.